Mogale and welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're definitely welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for staying. Even though sometimes I don't post anything, but yeah. Those who have been here before, they know in this channel we speak how to make money online, how to generate money while you're staying at home. I must put it out there for you to know that we don't talk about quick rich scams, but we talk about legit ways that can help you to earn money while you're seated at your home. As we all know that here in South Africa, unemployment is real and everybody's just sitting home with their qualifications. So yeah, we need to find other ways to make money when we are at home while we are still applying for the jobs that we are looking for. Making money online is no longer about it's no longer done by tech experts, but everybody can do it. All you need to do is just to find legit ways to do it, because there are many scammers out there, but I'm here to assist you to discover ways or platforms that you can use to make money online. Methods that I share with you, you don't have to invest your money. Sometimes maybe even if you have to invest, it is not much. It's as little as nothing. So let's get started and talk about those legit ways. Well, the first method is freelancing. Well, freelancing is the fastest method that is growing rapidly, because there are a lot of people those who say they are working while seated at home, most of them are doing freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing, you are getting paid for your work. You get paid for the job that you do. With freelancing, you get paid for your skill. You can do data entry, video editing, what do we call it, writing and editing, transcription, social media management, what else, and graphic design. If you are good with graphic design, you can also offer your skill and then you get paid for it. And let me put it out there to you that you are paid in dollars, which makes it even more profitable. Well, there are three platforms that I can share with you now where you can do freelancing. Number one is Fiverr. You can go on a website, fiverr.com, or go to my description below, on the description box. I mean to say, you'll find the website. It is fiverr.com, and then you can go there and start giving out your skill and get paid. The other one is freelancing.com. You can also go check it out. And the last one is Upwork. Just go there and check the website out and start working and earn money. Well, the good thing about these platforms is that you can set or increase your pricing as much as you want. As long as you are gaining your experience, you can also increase your pricing, your price however you want, because it's more like you're selling your skills. But the problem with it is that there are a lot of people out there. There is high competition, so you must make sure that you're able to sell yourself. The second method that I want to share with you today is online tutoring, offering your skills as well. The difference with this one is that with online tutoring, you're teaching people your skills. Maybe if you are good in maths, maybe if you're good in English, you're good in science, whatever skill that you're good at, you can go online and teach it. But now let me talk more about English tutoring, because that's what I am very, very much familiar with. First platform where you can go online and teach English is Preply. I'm on Preply. You can go there. You just register yourself. You don't have to have teaching qualifications. The only certificate that they want is TEFL certificate. You can do that online. There are platforms where you can do that certificate for free. If you want me to share that certificate with you, I mean platforms where you can do it, you can comment on the comment section below. Well, the second platform where you can teach English online is Cambly. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yes, you can do it on Cambly. They don't need any qualification with Cambly. They don't even need the TEFL certificate. So if you don't have that certificate, I can advise you to go or to start with Cambly. The last platform where you can teach English online is tutor.com. Just go check it out and then you will start over there. Another way that you can start making making money online with, it's blogging. People are eating money with blogging, and one thing about blogging is that it can become your sustainable income, where you just do blogging and then you earn money doing blogging. I just recently started with blogging. I haven't monetized my website yet, but I've just started with it. I'm just going to write few articles and then I try to monetize my website. Well, with blogging, I think it is better for you uh, to do your or to create your own website using WordPress, and then you start blogging over there so that you can earn money with your website. How do you earn money with your website? Well, you earn money with your website. It's either by affiliate marketing, or maybe you just earn by AdSense. What is AdSense? It's Google AdSense. What is that? I know maybe you are familiar with when you open websites and then you see a lot of adverts. Whoever owns that website, when you open those adverts, they earn money from those adverts. You just don't know, but the moment you open that website, you see those adverts, those like annoying adverts that you see on a website. People are getting paid out of those adverts that annoys you. It's people's money. With blogging, you can also get paid with sponsorship posts. There are people out there that may want to ask you to post an article for them, and then you get paid out from that. Well, the last one that today I will want to talk about is YouTube. Content creation with YouTube. There are a lot of people who are making money. The reason why I'm here recording this video is because I want to be in YouTube and I want to make a lot of money. So you can also try it out. You can start any whatever that you want to do tutorials, educational videos, vlogs, entertainment, whatever it is that you want to do. Just find whatever it is that you love the most and then you start creating content out of it, and then you monetize your videos when you reach a certain level, and that's when you'll be generating money. That's it for today, guys. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and please see you on my next video.